Hey fifth graders, it's Mr. Patrick here, and I thought I'd create a short video just kind of helping you navigate your way through this week's vocabulary assignment. So the first thing I wanted to point out was that on our Google Classroom page, under the assignment Vocabulary 3, I have put the part of speech behind each of the vocabulary words. Okay, so that is one less thing you have to do on this sheet. So if you go there, you will find out that audacity is a noun, defiant is an adjective, migrate is a verb, nomadic is an adjective, procrastinate is a verb, tenacity is a noun, vast is an adjective, and waft is a verb. The other way you could find that out is if you went to an online dictionary. My preference is merriam-webster.com, and you type in the word that you're looking for. You'll notice on this particular site, right after the word, it tells you the part of speech, whether it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, or whatever. So, but you do not have to look that up, as I have put them right here for you, right? So all you need to do is fill them in, okay? The second thing I wanted to point out was when you're coming up with a picture, the first couple of vocabulary lists we've done, I've had you draw a picture. This one, since you're at home and on the computer, I'm asking you to look for one online, right? So waft, to move or be moved lightly by wind, by the action of the wind. So remember, I said that could be something like pollution. If I go insert image, I can search the web for pollution, smoke, right? I could find this pollution wafting into a neighborhood, and all I do is click it and drag it. Well, of course, I'm going to have to resize it to fit the box. So I'm going to click Shift, and then I'm going to click the corner and I'm going to drag it and fit it into the box, right? So there's my visual representation of the word waft. You could also, let me see, insert dandelion. What if I combine dandelion and wind, right? So these are wafting through the air, or they soon will be. Okay, so I've got the part of speech and a picture. The other thing that you need to do is come up with a sentence, and then synonyms and antonyms. The best way to find your synonyms and antonyms, again, is to go to the online dictionary, in this case merriam-webster.com, and click on the link that says thesaurus, and scroll down, and you've got, okay, so a synonym for waft would be float, and an antonym would be sink. Okay, float, sink, and then a sentence. The pollution from the factory wafted through the air and into the home's front window. Okay, and I'm actually going to make that a little bit bigger so it's easier to see, and I'm going to do the same with these two words. Okay, and there's one of my slides is done. I've got the definition, I've got the word, I've got a sentence, I've got a picture, I've got the part of speech, I have a synonym, and I have an antonym. Okay, so I think you guys can handle the rest of these on your own. Don't be afraid to use your online dictionaries. I know some of you like dictionary.com. Like I said, I like merriam-webster.com. but the dictionary online is your friend. All right? And then again, with this one, when you're done, don't share it with me, turn it in. Okay? All right. Good luck.